Hi guys, Nadeja here. Welcome to my channel, Living a Line. I am here today with you to talk about alkalinity. First and foremost, thank you so much for joining my channel. Thank you for taking the time out of your precious time out of your day to spend it with me, watching my content. I do appreciate each and every one of you who subscribed and also those of you who comment and participate. Greatly appreciate you. That's first. Those of you who are new and coming back for more, the ones that have already watched my video. Today I want to talk about alkalining your body. I talked about autophagy. I talked about different hand exercises that you can do that strengthen your brain, standing on one leg, things of that nature that help your body to be in the best shape possible for optimal health and things of that nature. I talked about garlic. I talked about garlic and kombucha for your stomach. Things that you can do just to help your body be its best, to function at its optimal or peak level, right? Okay, so sorry about that. So I learned that baking soda is naturally alkaline. I brush my teeth with baking soda. I put baking soda in my shoes and my kids' shoes. I put baking soda in my tub when I want to clean it out and unclog the drains. I put baking soda also in my laundry when I wash clothes. I put baking soda in my kitchen sink when I want to clean it really good. And I also do when they try to get the little gnats. I don't know what that's all about, but I do scalding hot water and apple cider vinegar when I had a gnat issue one time. I didn't have it after that. But guys, alkaline your body. Baking soda is good for so many different things. And people do not take the time to really look into what baking soda does. I don't mean the baking soda that goes in the refrigerator that has all the chemicals. And the one that's specifically lined for and it actually goes in the refrigerator. The one that is like blue and it has something on it for the refrigerator only. Don't eat that. Don't put that in your mouth. Don't do anything with that, but put it in the refrigerator. You can really help your refrigerator though by putting a box of this inside of your refrigerator. Just keeping it open, it'll help to absorb and deodorize it. You can put it in your closet. You can put it anywhere, guys. I really love it the most for when I brush my teeth because it completely neutralizes any nasty taste from whatever you just ate, and it whitens your teeth and it cleans your breath. It does a great job, okay? So today we're going to go ahead and when you put, this is a small spoon, but when you put that's going to spill. Say you put a small amount in your water, okay? You put a small amount. This is 16 ounces, so this is like 2 cups. You put it in there. I'm getting this all over the table, but that is okay. You put a little bit in there and you shake it up and then you drink it. You naturally alkaline your body by drinking baking soda water. It's naturally alkaline. That's a good way to alkaline your body. Now, cancer cannot thrive in an alkaline environment. What other things also help you with alkalinity? You can also do cabbage, juicing cabbage, which is not the greatest taste. But if you have some issues in your body or abnormal cells, the big C going on, juicing cabbage would actually help you to alkaline your body. And I'm not going to say it will eradicate the big C, but it will help. So you guys need to learn ways to alkaline your body. Try to eat alkaline foods. Try to do things that will alkaline your body overall. Certain juices will alkaline your body. Certain things will just help your body to be alkaline. If you're acidic, it's bad. It's just not good. So you're going to want to do things that alkaline your body. And this is just one quick way to do it. This baking soda you get from any store you can buy baking soda. This baking soda was 59 cents, guys. Whole thing of baking soda. This water bottle, I bought a case of water for like $5. And it lasts a while. So you do this, you alkaline your body. Let me see how it tastes. It's not bad. It just tastes like baking soda water, but it's not too salty. One time I did it, I put way too much salt. I couldn't even finish it. And some of it settled at the bottom. I tried to shake it up. You can see a little bit of it. You can see a little bit of it at the bottom. But that's a great way to alkaline your body. So guys, try that. You can do it every morning when you wake up. Alkaline your body. Start off your day right. Maybe make a smoothie. Just take care of your body, guys, and your body will take care of you. Don't think that because we're getting older, I'm not telling my age, but don't think that because we're getting older, our bodies we have to embrace breaking down and lack of health. That's not true. And I literally hate when people are like, oh, I'm getting old. I'm getting old. And I'm like, what does that mean? I still do handstands and cartwheels. Yeah. And when I say handstands, I mean, I do a handstand and I kick up against the wall and I can hold myself upside down. I still could do a cartwheel and a round off. I used to do gymnastics and I used to run track. So I wasn't the fastest and I didn't ever learn how to flip. But the point is that when you do stuff to keep your body youthful, when you do things to keep your body vibrant, I still be dancing like the Magic City Girls. I'm just going to say that. I like to dance when there's nobody home. Turn on the TV and crank it up. Turn on the stereo, whatever, and dance. Have fun. Be youthful. When you move your body and you keep it young and you stretch and you can still do what you can do, guys, it helps to prolong your life. When you have blood going to certain parts of your body, when you're stretching, when you're moving, when you're dancing, when you're spinning, when you're jumping, it helps to prolong your life. It helps to give your body vitality. It helps for your body to move in that way. People are like, oh, I don't move like that no more. I'm this, I'm that. Because you haven't done it in a long time. But if you started doing it all over again and you got warmed up, there are some people that still can do ballet and they're in their 70s and 80s. But guys, if you don't use it, you lose it. So I'm here today to tell you how to quickly alkaline your body. Regular baking soda and water. All right, guys, thank you so much for your time and have a great day.